Big Willie from Q Hot Motors. Welcome, let me show you around.
If you're looking for a small local Marine Corps veteran family-owned business that's also a top-rated dealership, then you've come to the right place. Whether it's your first time buying or your 50th, we've got everything you need. You can even start the process online. This is 2020 after all. Bad or no credit welcome. If you don't see a car you like out front, then check out the fancy toys in the backyard. Once you've left with your ride, you're free to come back for our complimentary services, free for the first year. That's right, we have a complete service center just for you. We hope you get what you came for, a great deal and a great experience. And a car. We hope you get a car as well.
Hope you enjoyed, can't wait to see you.